Yeah, me I tell all my brother them out there say let go find no ego, you know. And we need to make that style be the trend for 2024 or whatsoever and beyond. Any girl where you go there with and you go take her serious, she have to give you her previous man number. And you call him and you and him go link up and find out how she stay. Because anyhow, she apply for Mr. Chin job work. Mr. Chin have to get a contact with her previous worker to find out if she a thief. Uncle or man before you can tell you how she stay you out. Yes, and him a go tell you all how she stay, the good and the bad. But we more focus on the bad part. Because of the bad part of our worst part here. Make that one be the trend, brother. 2024. We want to know your last man and we and him have a link and